Are you looking for the best original brand's newBekb speaker? In this video we will look at some of the best original brand's newBekb speaker on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original brand newBekb system professional audio sound. Power two-way design, built-in amplifier. 12-inch JBL woofer. DBX drive rack technology featuring automatic feedback suppression that ensures clear, resonant sound at high volumes without the worry of unwanted noise. Built-in Bluetooth audio streaming accessible at the push of a button, lets you play backing tracks, video soundtracks or recorded music between sets. Link two speakers to create a true stereo image. 2 XLR, TRS combo inputs and an XLR loop out to connect additional speakers. Round out I/O options. Number 2. 255 dual 15-inch removable trolley speaker. Product name: dual 15-inch movable trolley speakers. Material: ABS plus metal. 2 wireless transmission, Bluetooth, recording, amplification function. Equipped with 2 microphones, remote control, and power cord. Color black. Size 49.5 x 40.5 x 115.5 cm. GW 24 kg, NW 20 kg. Scene: stage, conference, speech, recording, outdoor performance, roadshow, operation, square dance. Remark: the speaker is heavier, and the one that needs to be made of a wooden frame adds $8. Number 3. Outdoor powered professional audio sound. Outdoor powered professional audio active power speaker system with 5000 watts DSP digital amplifier module LA212C. 2 x 12-inch 3-way full range plus monitor. 2-in-1 LA18 DSP: 1 x 18-inch active DSP subwoofer. Extremely high SPL for powerful performance. Full range small system, easy to install and move. The strong bright plywood cabinet create cleaner sound quality. Built-in 1000 watts Class D amplifier and DSP processor. Easy install and high effective sound present. Designed for applications in live music performance and music playback, indoor or outdoor shows. Number 4. Loudspeaker active 15-inch speaker. Advanced acoustic performance. EN 710 powered power speaker features state-of-the-art design and technology. Advanced waveguide and transducer ensure uniform coverage across the entire listening area. EN 710 is powered via wired electric. The woofer is designed for lower impedance and high efficiency. A horn delivers a smooth off-axis sound and a compression driver delivers balanced response in a lightweight footprint. Number 5. 120 watts 10 inches woofer Trolley Battery Portable Powered Speaker. The portable wireless PT streaming speaker features a 5.25 inches subwoofer and 2 inches tweeter W/120 watt max power. The portable speaker also has FM radio with digital LED display, featuring a record and microphone priority function. This vintage-style speaker system has Bluetooth wireless audio streaming and equipped with USB flash drive and micro SD card reader to serve as MP3 player. 3.5mm OIN and 6.5mm mic input. Includes remote control and power adapter.